What is going on, beautiful people? It is your man Ethan coming at you guys bright from this video. I hope everything is good for you guys in your timeline, your environment, your home. I hope God is with you. I'm just here. I wanted to hop on and share with you guys a quick video with you guys and a topic that I think is going to be really funny. It's going to make you guys laugh a little bit. If my chain is super bright, I'm trying to distract you and make you look like I'm wealthy. Not the case. And if I make you look like I'm suited up and all ready to go with my dress shirt, I'm wearing sweats underneath, so joke's on you guys. But listen, I'm here. I want to share with you guys a little bit about my time and rather my history so far with sales. I want to kind of go in and educate a younger group, a younger audience, maybe help out one person that might be curious about selling in the industry. And I kind of want to set the bar straight. I kind of want to show people and give people insight so they don't get blindsided by an industry and lied to. And that was my biggest thing growing up. I was always kind of naive, and one of my goals in life is to become as wise as possible. And one of my journeys is not only learning how to understand knowledge and wisdom from other people, but it's from my own past experiences. And my job, and God knows me, is that I have to be honest. I'm a truthful man, I'm an honest man, even if the truth is against me, and there's many truths that are against me, right? Just like why I'm not a millionaire, it's my own fault, my own hard work, right? But an example that I want to do and use this honesty with is also to teach the younger generation, okay? So guys, there's a lot of people out there right now that are going to work and going to jobs, and maybe you're in the stage of kind of looking for a job and you're looking for a way to make some money, right? You're looking for a way to kind of, get on your feet and learn sales, right? Learn marketing, right? I went to school for marketing, didn't graduate, but I went to school for it. It's something that I've always been doing my entire life. And now what I want to do is I want to show you guys how the industry works, how certain companies work, and I want to help you guys run away from scams. Right? Scams and schemes and things that are going to take you away from you potentially providing for your family, providing for yourself, helping you get something that you want to get, and helping you get a little further. Okay, so this video is 100% free. It's 100% honest. I might be a little bit uneducated on the topic, so if you have some more information on this, please give me your comments down below. Share with me your thoughts. But we're here to educate people, give people gems, teach other people stuff that you have learned, and then grow further in life. Okay? That being said, I'm going to hop into this. So today I've got a whiteboard with me, right? And I got a whole bunch of notes, okay? A whole bunch of notes. And I'm going to share with you guys exactly what all of this means, right? And share with you guys why these notes are relevant, okay? So I know it's kind of worse off because of the ring, right? The ring of light. But basically, marketing. What is marketing, okay? Marketing is the activity or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertisements. So this could be content marketing. This could be exactly what I'm doing. Inbound marketing, you're at a call center, you're getting calls coming in and you're marketing your product, right? Inbound marketing, social media marketing, right? Content creation marketing, email marketing. These are all ways that you're marketing, right? You are marketing a product or service to the general public so that you can make money, right? Now, this would translate to sales. What is a sale? The sale is the exchange of a commodity for money, right? It's the action of selling something. So you're marketing a product and then you're getting a sale, which is the byproduct of how this works. You market, you get to a sale. Right? Now, I studied marketing. So my job when I got to school was going to be to market products for people, market services, market whatever, so that I could help a company make more money, right? The companies pay people millions of dollars for the ability to make money, right? Make more money for a business. If you can help me make more money, I'm going to pay you the right amount of money because I'm getting paid more. So that means you should get paid more. Okay? That's the main gist of what marketing and sales is in a nutshell. This is the breakdown version. I'm teaching you this. A 3-year-old could pick this up, right? So we've all done selling, right? I can make a video about why selling is important. Actually, my next video is going to be why selling is important, right? But the moral of the story is this is what marketing and sales is. Now I'm going to teach you guys today about multi-level marketing, okay? So this is to help young people, naive people, old people not fall in, and people that are not socially connected. This is to help you guys not fall in and make mistakes. Listen up, listen loud and clear. Multi-level marketing is also network marketing, is a pyramid selling structure. It's a legal way to sell goods and services. The goal is to promote as much salesmen as possible for a product to increase the sales force, right? Each level gets an item each level gets commission for an item sold, right? So I want you guys to think this, right? And this is for the young people that don't have friends, the older people, the people in their 30s and 40s that don't have connections, and they're going to jobs trying to make a connection. Maybe you're an immigrant coming into this country and you're trying to figure out how to leverage, okay? If you are taught how to sell, right, in a multi-level marketing firm, it's not illegal. What you're doing is right? But you're not going to get far. The way that it works like this. The top guy at the top of the circle, he's the owner. He hires a couple other people he really likes to be the next in command, and then he hires a bunch of people underneath. Me and you are going to be in the bottom line, right? You're working long hours, busting your butt, trying to make a sale, and then that sale gives a commission back to the top guys in the market, right? The top guys in the market, those guys are the guys that are making the most money. Right, so this circle, this structure is how they make money. The more people they have in the bottom here, right, the more that they can make money, right? Every single level gets a bit of commission. So the managers, the account managers, the assistant managers, the owners, the part-time owners, the full-time, everybody gets commission from the baseline. So you need to remember something. If you're in the bottom and you've been there for a year to 2 years or a month or whatever, just remember that there might not be a future for you if you haven't seen a promotion now, because they're probably going to keep you where you're at so that you can keep on performing what you're doing to make the amount of money that you want to make, right? Or that they want you to make, right? What's the point of me telling you all this? I was dumb and I was foolish, and I applied for jobs that I thought would give me a good future and a good opportunity. But I started to get pissed off when these companies were not paying me the right amount. They were making me bust my butt, making me use my car, pay for my own gas, and go and work long hours in freezing cold temperatures. I live in Toronto, Canada, to make sales. Right? So I looked at myself and I looked at the structure of the company, and I realized that there is no benefit for me to be here, right? There's no benefit for me to provide my services when I know that the return is terrible. Right? Now, again, I'm not saying what they're doing is not illegal. I'm saying what they're doing is legal, but there is no benefit for the bottom line aside from a small commission check just for you to pay your rent month to month. If you need a job and you're willing to really bust your butt and really go all out, and you like that kind of environment and that's what you want to do, right? Be ready for that. I'm gonna give you guys a couple tips of what you're gonna face, right? And this is D2D, so door to door. You're gonna face rejections. You're gonna face time in the freezing cold. You're gonna face incredibly strict weekly goals. You're gonna face scrutinizing competition. You're gonna face repetitive drilling coaching sessions. You're gonna face adversity in everywhere where you go, right? And the main thing that you're always going to remember is they're going to jolster the guys at the top of the pyramid so that they can make the most amount of money, okay? Now, the thing is, guys, with business, right, everything is built in a pyramid structure. They have a CEO, the financial CEO, CFO, and then it goes down the lead list, right, accountants and all that. But it's these different roles in these different companies that make a business become effective. You need to have an accountant to govern that side so that way that the company could be effective. You need a receptionist. You need a sales leader. You need operations. You need a CEO. You need a hiring manager. You need a HR as well too. You need different people in different roles so that you can be effective in what you do. But the minute that you just become one other robot to a company, you're just another tool to their cause. You're just wasting the game. Now, of course, everyone is starting their career journey late. Maybe you don't have a job and this is the only way to make money. And in that, if that's your case, then hey, more power to you. I wish you luck. Maybe you might do well. This might teach you good things. And that's another thing too I'll say. This job might teach you networking skills, social work skills, ability to communicate, leadership, dominance, teaching you how to communicate, critical thinking, right? So these are things that you'll learn with these jobs. But I want you guys to remember something, that you cannot find a future chasing another man's dream, right? While you have an owner in front of you, don't think that you're gonna create the life and dreams that you want just because that's the vision that you see in front of you, right? Remember, a lot of people in this world don't have your best interest, right? But they're willing to work off your butt so that you get to the place that you want to be. And this is my job in this world is to share the word of God first, but also just be really truthful and honest with people, because we're missing that in this generation. This generation is just People are not truthful no more. Companies are not truthful no more, right? Everyone wants to hoard money for themselves. They don't care about anybody else. That's the world that we live in. But if I become wealthy, my goal is to share the wisdom and help the next generation, right? I want to put my family on. Once I put my family on, it's time to give the gems out and help somebody else get out of a tough situation. Nobody did it for me, so I'm going to do it for you, right? That's my vision. That's my goal. And I will become incredibly wealthy within my timeline. It's just me sharing some wisdom on sales so that you guys can get better. The next video that I'm going to drop is I'm going to talk to you about the power of sales and why it's important. But basically, guys, remember this, right? Everything is a pyramid. You start somewhere, but you got to make sure that if they're starting you in the bottom, that there's a clear track for you to get to the top, and if there and there's consistent growth, right? And your paychecks match what you're getting. If you're not getting that, if you're not getting a consistent paycheck, if you're not getting a consistent support, if you're not getting recognition, if you're wasting your time and your energy, you're getting tired every day, and the only thing that you can focus on is this job, is it really worth it for you? So I want you to think about that with MLMs, right? MLMs, again, are multi-level marketing, also network marketing, right? The goal is to promote as much salesmen as possible for a product to increase the sales force, right? And lastly, I want to give you guys this. What's a pyramid scheme, right? A pyramid scheme is a cult that work by getting you to acquire a person that will pay you for a service, then acquiring your network to do the same. Promises of returns that don't naturally exist, and you don't have to do any work. And then also you get others to buy the same product that you buy, and then you continue that funnel, right? So pyramid schemes focus on like ideas, concepts. Maybe it's like a can of soda, or it could be like something that you got to sell, or maybe it's like Primerica, right? Primerica is a perfect example of what I'm thinking of when I think of this. These are pyramid schemes. There's no future, there's no hope for you in these schemes, right? And guys, I'm gonna go into another video to talk to you about how to really make money in this industry and in this world. And I'm not making it yet, but I can tell you this now from the bottom, and I can see the way up. I'm telling you that there's one way. Stay tuned for my other videos. I'm gonna talk to you guys about it. But this is me, Ethan, coming at you guys bright. I wanted to share with you guys what an MLM is. I wanted to share with you guys not to get lost and fooled in the sauce. And I wanted to share with you guys hope, so that you guys can apply for jobs, go out there, and create a life for yourself that you want, and create a dream for yourself that you want and that you believe in, right? And to feed out the BS. And that's part of the reason why I created my channel. So love you guys. Stay tuned for the next one.